Hey, so, quick intro. You know how you have those like seasonal projects that you never seem to get to before the holiday, and then once the holiday's over, you're like, well, I guess I'll get it done next year. Yeah, hold that thought. Okay, you know tacky Christmas sweaters. Well, my family always did tacky 4th of July outfits, and being a person who prefers clothing as my primary form of expression, over-the-top, patriotic, red, white, and blue Murica clothing is still my favorite thing about 4th of July. So I've always wanted to make a dress for 4th of July, and well, obviously this would have been the ideal, but I don't have time for that this year, and it also might get in the way with some of our other 4th of July activities, which may or may not include shooting bottle rockets at each other. So, something simpler then. So we have my fabric, which I literally bought at Hancock's, and I worked there starting in 2010, and then the store closed down in 2012, so who knows how long I've been sitting on this project. I have some scrap linen that will be the lining. I have a elastic lacing cord from the last project. I have eyelets, I have underwire, and then I have my bodice pattern, which I'm not going to alter much. I'm just going to fold under to make it a straight edge bodice. Oh, thank you for pooping on my sewing table instead of my dress. I appreciate that. Chirp, chirp. So, thanks for watching. If you want more in-depth explanation for the construction, this dress was basically an amalgamation of 3 other videos. The bodice from this recent video, the skirt pattern from this video, and then borrowing some of the skirt construction from this video. So I'll add links in the description for those. The bodice pattern is currently available on my Patreon page, and there will be a size-graded version going up later. If you're interested in seeing more of my work, you can subscribe to me here on YouTube and follow my Instagram. I also have another YouTube channel just for world building and another Instagram for that. And introducing chicken number 2. Oh, yes, hello, right on cue. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Somebody in the comments said that they named their Americana Amera, and I was... And I read that and I was like, America. And then yesterday, while I was working on this video all day, I thought this chicken was dead. She got out overnight and I looked in the morning and I couldn't find a trace. So by like 3 or 4 in the afternoon, I was like, well, that chicken got ate. And then it was really sad because the other chickens were like acting so confused. They were just huddled up together all day. And then someone knocked on my door and was like, do you have chickens? There's a chicken in the front yard 5 houses down. And I was like, hold up. So yeah, I brought her back and all of the others instantly perked up and they all started chasing each other around the yard and it was just so cute. So I hope you enjoyed and I hope you have a wonderful Independence Day. And for the 60% of you who aren't American, I hope you have an equally wonderful Random Jane July. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Complainy chicken. Okay, goodbye. Say goodbye. And a special thanks to patrons Aaron Wishart, Charlotte R., Shia Thompson, Haley Martin, Jesse Bryant, Shannon, Leisha Slaughter, Mackenzie Ann Duarte, and Stella Sapient. Stella Sapient. Please let me know if I have mispronounced any of your names over on Patreon. Thank you so much for your support of this channel.